Hello guys, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. And today's video, corn. Tori's favorite. Your favorite, eh, Tori? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We'll get started. We'll cook. We'll keep it short. Educational for first beginners learning how to cook. Take off the corn here, Tori. Yeah. Tori's been taking the corn off, and she got 3 off already. That's what she's been doing. Yeah. She's taking off the strings of the corn. Yeah, we're getting the right. We'll get it in here, and we're gonna put the water in there, and it's very delicious. You like those? Mm-hmm. Is your favorite? Oh yeah. All right, my daughter Tori will get the corn skins off, and we'll get the corn in here, and we'll do a video on corn. It's good for kids. She loves it, and it's good for little education video for learning how to cook corn for beginners that are learning how to cook. All right, we'll teach Tori how to cook corn. Stay tuned, folks. Okay, folks, we got our corn, and we put a little bit of sea salt in there for flavor. But if you're not able to have salt, don't have salt. Salt's not good for you, just so you know. But it brings flavor. If you learn how to cook and you're young, you can eat it. Yeah. Well, cooking for 8. Oh, it's coming along. Came to a boil, folks. Corn looks so good. How to cook corn. Okay, folks, our corn is done. It's been in there. We got it to a boil. 20 minutes you boil it for. Don't over boil your corn.
Boil it just enough, like 20 minutes.
Okay.
Boil it for an hour.
Yeah.
Juicy, like.
Okay, folks, our corn is done. We had a lid on it. It's boiled for 20 minutes. Don't over boil it. Only boil it for 20 minutes, or the corn will shrink. These little corns here will shrink. Don't boil it for an hour. Only 20 minutes. We'll get it cooled off, and Tori's corn's done. Cooking for 8.